You can use the G-Connect to store DVDs, TV shows, and movies you've purchased, as well as home video recordings for viewing on your iPad, iPhone, or any device with a web browser connected wirelessly or directly to your G-Connect device. However, since there are a variety of video formats in use today, you'll need to review the G-Connect iPad application video support table at g-technology.com/support/G-Connect before you format video for playback on your G-Connect. If you used digital copying software for your home DVDs, you'll want to verify that the encoding settings and file formats are supported by the G-Connect iPad app. There are several things you'll need to do to play home movies in the G-Connect app. Most video cameras capture video in specific encoding like AVCHD and require some processing and editing. Please check with the manufacturer of your video capturing equipment and editing software to ensure the output files may be encoded and saved as supported file types. If you are trying to play video that you have edited and processed, verify that the encoding settings and file formats are supported by the G-Connect iPad app. For TV shows and movies that you have purchased, you'll want to verify that you have rights to view the media by ensuring it plays in iTunes. If it does, place the TV show or movie in the appropriate directory of the G-Connect using your computer's file system, and you're ready to go. Get the most out of your G-Connect experience by visiting us at www.g-technology.com/support/G-Connect for how-to videos, tips, tricks, and more.